In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete my signature in Gmail. This process is straightforward and will help you keep your emails looking clean and professional. Let's dive in. First, you need to open Gmail. When you do this, the familiar interface of Gmail will appear on your screen. You will see your inbox filled with emails and a navigation panel on the left side. It is essential to ensure that you are logged into the correct account. This is important because you want to delete the signature associated with the right email address. Once you are in Gmail, you are ready to proceed to the next step. Next, click on the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This icon is usually located in the upper right corner of your Gmail interface. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains several options, but what you want to focus on is See All Settings. By accessing the full settings, you unlock all the features available to customize your Gmail experience, including managing your signature. Once you click on See All Settings, you're on the right path. Now you will scroll to the Signature section. This section is typically located on the General tab of your settings. As you scroll down, you will notice various settings related to your email. The Signature section allows you to create or remove signatures that are automatically added to your outgoing emails. It is crucial to locate this section because that is where you manage your signatures. Take your time to find it as it plays a significant role in the next steps. Once you reach the Signature section, select the signature you want to delete. You will see a list of signatures you have previously created. Each signature may have its own formatting and content. By selecting the signature, you indicate which one you wish to remove. This is important because it ensures you are deleting the correct signature and not affecting any other signatures you might still want to use. After you select the signature, you're ready to take the next step. Now click on the trash icon, which represents the delete option. This icon is typically located next to the signature you have selected. Clicking this will initiate the deletion process. It's a simple action, but it has a significant impact. By doing this, you are telling Gmail that you no longer want this signature to appear in your future emails. After clicking the icon, you may see a prompt asking you to confirm the deletion. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental removals. If prompted, confirm the deletion. This step ensures that you intentionally want to remove the signature. It is a precautionary measure, allowing you to rethink the action before it is finalized. Confirming this step is vital because it protects you from making irreversible mistakes. Once you confirm, the signature will be permanently deleted from your account. Next, scroll to the bottom of the settings page. This action is straightforward but necessary. At the bottom of the page, you will find the options to save changes. It is essential to scroll down to ensure that you complete the process and that your changes are not lost. Once you reach the bottom, you will be ready for the final step. Finally, click on Save Changes. This button is typically located at the very bottom of the settings page. By clicking this, you ensure that the deletion of your signature is finalized. This step is crucial because without saving, all your adjustments will not take effect. Once you click Save Changes, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been updated, and that's it. You have successfully deleted your Gmail signature. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.